Life is full of tough decisions. What if you had a way to gain clarity and confidence before making your next big move? Meet Janelle. She's torn between staying in her current job or chasing her dream career. But instead of feeling lost, she turns to tarot for guidance. Tarot isn't about predicting the future. It's about uncovering the wisdom already within you. Our Tarot for Decision-Making course teaches you how to use the cards to find direction and make informed choices with confidence. In this course, you'll learn how to use tarot spreads designed for decision-making, trust your intuition and recognize hidden influences, gain clarity on relationships, career moves, and personal choices, develop practical skills through video lessons and a comprehensive workbook, and so much more. Janelle made her decision. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to take control of your future? Enroll in the Tarot for Decision-Making course today.